Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying the sway bar is the exact fit for your make and model and inspect it for damage. Do this now. Once confirmed, apply penetrating oil to fasteners and lay out new bushings and links so you don't hunt mid-task. Next, position the jack and support the chassis on stands, then remove the wheel for access. You'll begin by loosely mounting the bar to the chassis brackets so alignment can be adjusted before final torquing. You'll fit the bushings onto the bar and place the bar into its chassis brackets, making sure each bushing seats fully to prevent binding. Once the bar is positioned, attach the end links to the control arms, but leave nuts finger tight. This prevents inducing preload. Then center the bar under the car by rolling wheels and observing equal lateral movement. Adjust bracket positions as needed. Make sure mounting surfaces are clean and compress the suspension. You now torque all bracket bolts and end link nuts to factory specifications, using a calibrated torque wrench so nothing is under or over-tightened. Once torqued, lower the car carefully and cycle the suspension several times, then recheck torque and confirm links sit straight without preloading. After that, perform a low-speed test drive to listen for clunks or binding and inspect again. If you hear noise or see movement, stop and recheck mounting. Retorque everything after the first 50 to 100 miles.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.